Hello guys, welcome to Tales and Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button for more updates. So guys, Mihlali is trending yet again after she posted a video of her reading an open letter to us and explaining everything. We know that guys, Mihlali and Leroy were trending this past few days when Mihlali posted her pictures with her face all bruised, and she quickly deleted the post. But social media, of being social media, somebody already captured the things and reposted them. So guys, that caught a stir in social media to a point where Leroy even posted a statement saying that he had nothing to do with Mihlali, and even gave us evidence of Mihlali calling him 70 something if not mistaken. So Mihlali yesterday came to social media and posted a video of her open letter. But anyway guys, please do drop your thoughts down the comment section after seeing this video. Ega Mihlali explaining herself in an open letter, and please guys do subscribe if you haven't done so.
To articulate myself and express my feelings. So I have written you guys an open letter and I hope you are willing to hear me out. Let's get started. I come before you today with a heavy heart and a sense of responsibility to address a matter that has been circulating and has deeply affected me. It was with great vulnerability that I admit I was involved in a toxic relationship. This relationship started off verbally and emotionally harmful, and matters quickly escalated to it being physically harmful. I, unlike others, can take full accountability for my involvement in the toxic dynamic. One can only keep quiet for so long after tolerating gaslighting, aggression, emotional abuse, manipulation, obsessive behavior, and control tactics employed by an individual. Tactics used to distort my perception of love, which led me down a path of pain and torment. The scars of this experience run deep, and the trauma continues to echo in my personal life and in my business. Such cases can be complex, escalate gradually over time, and difficult for some to understand, especially if they have no personal experience. However, that does not discredit or invalidate my story as I have lived it. It is imperative for us to educate ourselves on the nature of emotional abuse, gender-based violence, and the devastating impact it has on families, individuals, and communities. Despite the darkness that has clouded my past, I am filled with hope and determination to embark on a journey of healing. I'm committed to seeking the support and resources necessary to get the help I need to reclaim my sense of dignity and self-worth. Through my healing journey, I hope to inspire others to speak out, seek help, and break free from any toxic environment, as nobody deserves it. Thank you so much for listening, guys, and I really would like to humbly ask that you respect, support, and understand me as I navigate this challenging journey towards healing and empowerment. And to everybody who has reached out concerned about my safety, my well-being, and sent words of encouragement, they do not go unnoticed, and I truly do appreciate it. Thank you for hearing me out.